be that. When I give you chance, welcome. How you doing now?
I didn't know.
We don't respect you since.
Eh?
Yes, even the queen, they say, where you go come? Even me personally, I just dey look and say, where you dey? I dey fear how you go take come. Yes, but how you take reach here?
Now my boyfriend carry me come. He carry me with him bicycle. But as we dey reach very close, him bicycle come spoil. So
You say?
I come carry leg reach here.
Your boyfriend carry you with bicycle. Where did the bicycle like this? Now they carry you come.
Na bicycle na.
That boyfriend dey craze. Your boyfriend no get sense. Why you go carry you for bicycle? Thunder fire na you.
Bam. How you get man? You don't have respect. Why you gonna insult my boyfriend?
No, I know true. I say make thunder fire. Thunder never even go fire ram. This thing call it thunder.
I don't like him. If you want us to be friends, how about not my boyfriend?
Okay, no vex.
How about
No vex. It's the way I can see now. You be like who they love. No wahala. Time go
I
tell.
can't see madam.
No wahala. If it like this, the people just go like this.
You know that I'm not like this.
Just this way.
Don't talk about
This
me.
way. Take
Don't
it
talk
easy
about
with
me.
us.
Tell me
Sorry.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Nollywood Pictures TV.
Nollywood Pictures TV.
Hollywood Pictures TV.
Nollywood Pictures TV.
Nollywood Pictures TV. Nollywood Pictures TV.
Watch it.
Nollywood Pictures TV.
And you subscribe.
Subscribe.
You will be happy. Subscribe
Now.